What are we creating today? DIY binocular craft. So let's get into it. Here's what you'll need for this project.
What you'll need?
For this project, you'll need 2 toilet paper rolls, acrylic craft paint, a paintbrush, a skinny cardboard tube, a pair of scissors, decorative twine, a foam sheet, a ruler, a pencil, and a hot glue gun.
How to make it?
Grab your 2 toilet paper rolls and your acrylic craft paint and begin painting your toilet paper rolls with smooth, even strokes. You can use whatever color you want. I use the color Aqua by Craftsmart. When you finish painting, grab a paper towel and place your toilet paper rolls vertically on that paper towel to allow them to dry without smudging and messing up your paint. I grabbed my ruler and I measured the skinny cardboard tube. It was about 6 inches. So I put my finger at the 3-inch mark because I wanted to cut it down halfway. And then I grabbed the scissors and cut it where my finger was. So now I have a 3-inch skinny cardboard tube. Now use your scissors to clean up the jagged edges on the side of the cardboard tube where you just cut. Paint your skinny cardboard tube in the same color that you painted the first 2 toilet paper rolls. This craft is great for teachers and parents because it's simple enough for the kiddos to do with you. And it would be great for a jungle, safari, or dinosaur themed birthday parties as well.
Warning, if you choose to do this project with your kiddos, please be advised that they will need assistance with the glue gun coming up later in this video, as we do not want them to burn their little fingers. Thank you.
Now that you're done painting your skinny tube, place it on the napkin upright with the other toilet paper roll so it can dry as well. Grab your foam sheet and your ruler and you're going to measure 2 pieces that are about 3/4 an inch wide and 10 inches long each. Use your pencil and your ruler to draw the lines where you want to cut, so that way you can make sure your lines are super straight. Use your scissors to carefully cut across the lines that you just drew. Now cut again to separate the first strip from the second. Use your pencil, your ruler, and your foam sheet again to make 2 more strips of foam. This time, the 2 strips are going to be 1/4 an inch wide and about 10 inches long. Grab one of your wider foam strips and wrap it around the end of the toilet paper roll. Use your pencil to mark off exactly where you need to cut the foam strip so that it touches the other end of the foam strip without any spaces or overlap whatsoever. Use your scissors to cut the foam on the line you just drew. Use your hot glue gun to put a line of hot glue on your foam strip. Then carefully line your foam strip up with the edge of your toilet paper roll and wrap it around your toilet paper roll just so that the edges of the foam strip touch perfectly. While I'm wrapping this, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss another video. And you can follow me on @DeAnn Creates on all platforms, and check out my website deanncreates.com for full tutorials of every project that I've ever done, because I know you're gonna love it. Alright, back to the project. Repeat the same process with the skinnier strip of foam for the opposite end of the toilet paper roll. So you're gonna wrap the strip around the toilet paper roll. Use your pencil to mark where you want to cut it, then cut it and glue it down evenly with the edge of the roll. Now repeat the same process with your second toilet paper roll, putting your wider foam strip on one end and your skinnier foam strip on the other. Alright, let's glue our toilet paper rolls together. Put hot glue on your yellow foam right where the seam is, and then you're going to glue the other toilet paper roll together, having both the seams on the inside so that you have a nice, clean, even look from the outside. And when you put your 2 toilet paper rolls together, make sure that they're even with one another so that your binoculars won't be lopsided. My desk was starting to get messy with these little tiny bits of paper, so I had to pull out my small desktop vacuum to clean up the mess. I wanted to cut the skinny cardboard tube down a little more, so I cut it down to about 2 1/4 inches. I put some hot glue on the inside of the 2 toilet paper rolls where I wanted the skinny cardboard tube to sit. Then I pushed it into the glue and let it sit there for at least 30 seconds until it was completely stuck. Next, you're going to cut a piece of your decorative twine. I can't tell you how long you should make yours exactly because that really depends on how big the person is that you're making it for and how low you want your binoculars to hang. But what I can say is that I cut my string at about 2.5 feet long. Put a dollop of hot glue on the inside of the binoculars and push one end of your string into that glue. Now, the hot glue is hot, obviously, so you don't want to use your bare fingers to push the string into the glue. So either you want to use a cake topper stick or some other kind of little pointy edge stick like I did, or you can use finger protectors. But whatever you do, be careful because glue is hot and it will burn you, okay? Do the same thing with the other end of your string and the other side of your binocular, which is the other toilet paper roll.
It's time for the big reveal.
And there you have it, a cute binocular craft that you can make for a party, with your kids, or even with your students. Until the next time, I hope that you continue to add a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back because you never know what I'll create next. Later.